channel, I'm Moko. I'm currently at Dubai. The only reason why, okay, maybe not the only reason. The reason why I came to Dubai is because I fly with Emirates. So I chose the layout for 23 hours to Dubai. Then I can have a day to explore the Dubai city. This time it's a solo trip, so I'm not going to Abu Dhabi. It's a little bit too far for me. And last time I went to Abu Dhabi was with Wendy. You can check my video over here. Then you will know I went to Abu Dhabi in January. Or I will put the link down the description. And please go check it because I go to the Louvre in Abu Dhabi. You have to check it. And this time I'm going to take you guys with me to explore Dubai city. Actually, I'm a little bit nervous because this is a solo trip and this is not a city I am familiar with. But I think everything will be alright. So yeah, just a little bit nervous. I'm going to show you my room now. A room which is very close to the airport. But you can't come to the hotel by walking. You have to take their free shuttle bus or taxi or Uber. Whatever, I just take the Uber to come here. And it's so expensive. So you have to know you have to take the free shuttle bus. And this is my hotel room. Look how big it is. This is the hotel I'm living. It's huge. This is a little room tour. And this is their toilets. Yeah, the room is huge. It's so sad that I'm just staying for a few hours here. I will leave Dubai in the early morning, like 1 or 2 a.m. It's very early because my flight is on 4 a.m. so I have to leave early. Back to my seat. So, in this video, I'm going to take you to travel with me in the Dubai city. So let's go! So I just stay outside to look at the appearance. And I'm going to the next stop. I have lost for at least 20 minutes. Then I found it. Okay, let's go. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed Dubai with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.